Okay, we're going to do a multi-step word problem. I'm going to walk through this cubed method. C, circle numbers and labels. U, underline helpful words. B, bracket the question. E, eliminate extra information. D, decide and write, combine or compare or separate. I have some books in my library. I have 23 fairy tale books, 12 biographies, and 37 chapter books. If students read 27 of the books this week, how many books are not read this week? Okay, so first I'm going to circle my numbers with the labels. So I have 23 fairy tale books, 12 biographies, 37 chapter books. If students read 27 of the books this week, how many books are not read this week? So I have to compare the books that are read, and then the final question that I bracketed, how many books are not read? So in order to figure out how many books are not read, I need to find the total number of books. Do I have a total number of books? No, I don't. So step one, I have to find the total number of books in my library. So, total, I don't know. I don't know what the total is. But I do know I have 23 fairy tale books, 12 biographies, and 37 chapter books. So, step one, if I add up all three categories, I should get a total. So I'm going to do that. So 7 and 3 make 10, plus 2 is 12. Put down my 2, carry my 1. 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay. So I have 72 books in my library. So now that I have a total, if the next sentence, if students read 27 of the books this week, how many books are not read? Okay. So step two, now I need to find the answer of how many are not read. I know that I have 72 books as my total. 27 are read, and I don't know how many are not read. Okay, so if I add up how many they read plus how many are not read, I should get 72. So I'm missing a part. When I'm missing the part, I take my total, subtract this part to get that missing part. So 72 minus 27. More on the floor, go next door, cross out the 7. It becomes a 6. The 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. So I'm going to answer in a complete sentence. But before I do that, I'm going to double check it to make sure it works out. So to check it, I'm going to add 45 plus 27, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 72. It works. So how many books are not read this week? My answer was 45. They did not read 45 books from the library. Okay, I began with a capital, end with a period. Make sure that we answer in complete sentences. Okay, so my challenge for you is to do the same thing with this problem. Julie, James, and Jack collected 350 cans to be recycled. They collected the same amount on Monday and Tuesday. If they collected 150 on Wednesday, how many cans were collected on Monday? Good luck!